What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be installing this Hooligan Offroad steering box spacer, which replaces this aluminum one. These break, and a lot of the times it causes problems. So I have had this for about a year now, because I never had time to install it. So now I'm going to do that. And I bought the whole kit. It came with the unibody stiffeners front to back, which were already installed. Alright, so now I'm gonna install it. Since I hit it with the wire wheel, it's all cleaned up now. This is the difference. It replaces this aluminum one with this steel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bolt it all down, and then I'm gonna hit it with the Sharpie on the unibody, then do the wire wheel, clean it all up, then burn it into the unibody. But I do notice already that I'm gonna have to cut it a little shorter because my motor mount plates. One thing I forgot to mention is that we're gonna need longer bolts. There's 3 bolts that hold the steering box. So I'm gonna run to the store real quick and grab 3 bolts. Alright, so I'm back, and these are the bolts I grabbed. Same threads, just longer. These are 5 inches and these are 4 inches. The old ones are 4 inches and these are 5 inches. Alright, so I got everything bolted in place, and I was having a little problem with these bolts. They're just a little bit too long, so I got some thicker washers and I threw them on there for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start tacking, running a couple of tacks here and there. So once I'm done tacking it, I'm not gonna burn it all in. I'm gonna run small beads, probably like 2 inches apart, 1 inch apart. Alright, so I got it tagged in a couple of spots. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a bead from here to here, possibly from here to here, and then here to here. Run some down there, and then fill in these holes, and that should be it. And I'm gonna try to reach back in here and do a couple of welds. Alright, well, that's it. That's all I'm gonna weld. You can see I ran a bead here, here, there, down there, just random spots. Back here it was really difficult, so I just kind of tacked it. But I mean, I don't think this steering box spacer is going anywhere either way. This is a little extra, just adding the beads in there so it won't, you know, get out of place. And I was gonna shoot some paint over it, but since I'm getting ready to paint the whole engine bay, I'm gonna just leave it like that and then just coat everything at once. All I gotta do is basically just, you know, wash it all down, sand it, and then start painting. I'm gonna go with some glossy black paint and throw a couple of clear coats over it. So that's it for this video. If you guys want to follow us on Instagram, it's Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.